can't hear the tone of the radio very quickly. And if you have you've got 24 choices to do that with. Very dumb. It gives you a lot of flexibility, but you can't do anything quick. You just can't do anything quickly. And certainly not at a contest. We just left it on counter adjust for the most part. I figured that we were at the counter.
Hi folks, just wanted to show you the remote control for the 6-meter loop working. As you've seen in my other videos, this is what I put together, and the knob allows me to tune the capacitor in very minute steps. I have 20 meters of RJ45 and coax going out to my antenna somewhere out there in the front yard. I've got the SDR Pro over there for the receiver, and yeah, it's got an old radio there to give me some sound. And yeah, it's great being able to sit here and actually tune it remotely, which I haven't been able to do for a while. I've got 2 band scopes on at the moment, so I can play around on the 7 megahertz to see who's there. Let's see, where's he gone? There was a guy here.
That'll be fine. I'll be on. We'll be looking for Aaron tomorrow night, so we'll be in here.
Watch the peak as I tune the knob to tune the capacitor.
And 30 inches wide. And when there's no noise, it's a white line at the bottom. And right now it's jumping off the white line going scale up and down every half second. What? No, I haven't gotten to the colors, but for the most part, the thing that I want to adjust, it doesn't adjust. It won't adjust the brand.
I'll put it straight back here. I'm not sure if you said you have to go. I think you did, but I think the dinner bell is for Quebec.
Well, everybody's gone. The weather's really bad in Australia at the moment. We have a lot of thunderstorms and static and going. There's just very, very little signal coming in, which is kind of annoying. Anyway, you can see the peak moving here to tune. If I go to 7 mega, if I go to 3.5, let's go to 80 meters on both. What I have to do is then add in the additional capacitance, as I showed you in my previous video, which turns the relay on. And then I just turn the knob and wait till I see a bump. There we go, there it is. And then of course, if there was a signal, I'd be able to peak it pretty well with a lot of precision, but there's just not a lot coming through at the moment. But being able to tune this from my table with extremely low precision, you know, such as basically one step off the stepper motor, is actually great. Because it's got a rubber belt, it's got a bit of sort of play in there, which it needs to load up tension on the rubber belt. I really should put a proper drive and some limit switches on it, and then it'll be very, very easy to operate, but that's more work. Yeah, do we have someone here? No. Geez, the band is really quiet. Yeah, not a lot happening. So anyway, thanks for watching. I just thought you'd like to see the comfort of having a remote control for the capacitor. That's very easy to make, allowing you to tune 6 meter loop that's outside.